Nutrients. An overview. Hey students, you might have observed that every dish we eat is made up of different ingredients. These ingredients contain components needed by the body. These components are called nutrients. Nutrients play an important role in the growth and the sustenance of the whole metabolism inside the body. Nutrients help in repair of body and protect us from diseases. Nutrients provide energy for doing day-to-day activities. Nutrients play an important role in the formation of cells, which are the basic building blocks of our life. So we can say that nutrients are chemical substances which directly or indirectly keep us alive. Nutrients can be mainly divided into fats, carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. So from where do we get these nutrients? We get these nutrients from vegetables, fruits, dairy products, fish, meat, etc. Deficiency and excess of the nutrients can cause severe health problems. So right intake of these nutrients is very important.